Maserati launches new Tridente membership program that offers exclusive content, product previews, and luxury experiences to customers. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the new Tridente is the company's first loyalty incentive designed to bring the automaker closer to its customers as luxury brands emphasize experiences. Now, the program has a corresponding smartphone app that brings the brand to owners and fans alike. Maserati offers its new Tridente subscription with 3 tiers, which will launch here in the US later this year. And pricing has not yet been confirmed, but fans and brand enthusiasts have access to the blue tier, and the automaker offers platinum level to Gran Turismo, MC20, and MC20 Cielo owners. Now, Maserati reserves the diamond tier for the Project 24 owners and GT2 collectors. Now, the app is based on 5 fundamental pillars: editorial storytelling, exclusives, cultural encounters, curated driving experiences, and international events. Now, membership benefits are also tiered. Blue members will be tuned into exclusive editorial content and previews of special merchandise. Platinum members get much more from their subscription. They will be able to tour the Modena factory, get early access to limited edition car collections, receive invitations to local cultural experiences, and drive curated routes. Now, Maserati will treat Diamond members to highly curated selections of luxury experiences, such as customizing their sports car with Maserati's head of design, Klaus Busse, and a private First Series consultation. Top tier subscribers will also have opportunities to ride in classic Maserati cars and receive invitations to motoring events like Formula E and Monterey Car Week. Now, the new Tridente program and app are the automaker's latest effort to better connect with fans and customers. Lamborghini offers something similar to this called the Unica app for customers, connecting owners with lifestyle events, news, and track activities, as many automakers across the industry launch various smartphone apps and subscription services. Now, not all subscription services are equal. Maserati offers something extra for owners and fans, but some automakers lock vehicle features behind paywalls, which might be harder to sell to skeptical customers. Late last year, Mercedes-Benz introduced a $1,200 a year subscription to increase output by 20 to 24% on select EQ models, which you can see might not go over well with everyone. Now, the app is available to download from the Apple App and Google Play stores in Italy, the UK, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, France, Belgium, the Netherlands, UAE, the US, Japan, and South Korea. Now, the automaker will launch the subscription service in Italy and China before expanding here to North America in the second half of this year, and it will roll out the rest to Europe and Asia next year. So with that said, what do you guys think about the Tridente app and Maserati reaching out to fans, giving them more experiences and more bang for their buck? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon. Just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel, I appreciate that extra love you guys show. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.